Have you ever looked at your room and just feel like something's off? Like it's either too cluttered, too boring, or just kind of missing that vibe. I mean, I can personally relate because not too long ago, I felt the same exact way about my own space. Don't worry though, because I got you. Here are 10 easy upgrades that will completely transform your space without spending a fortune. In all reality, your space should feel like you. A spot that's clean, cozy, and actually nice to be in. So the best part about this is you won't need a full makeover to make that happen. These are small, simple changes that'll make a huge difference in how your room looks and feels. And trust me, these tips are absolute gold, so you'll definitely want to stick around to the end. I wouldn't lie to y'all, you won't want to miss a single thing. Listen y'all, here's the thing. We all want our space to look good, but actually making it happen, that's where things start to get tricky. Most of us aren't out here dropping thousands just to upgrade our room. I mean, decor can be expensive and furniture, just forget about it. But the truth is, you don't need to spend a whole lot to have your space feeling fresh. It's all about finding the problem areas and knowing what small changes actually make a difference. But all right guys, now that y'all know that, it's time to get into the 10 easy upgrades that will make your space feel brand new. Let's get into it. All right, first up, we gotta talk about lighting. This is one of the easiest ways to completely change the vibe of your space, but if you're not careful, it could also go very wrong. See the difference? Lighting sets the whole mood. It adds not only depth, but warmth, making your space feel cozy and put together. You can achieve some beautiful soft glows, neon accents, or even color changing lights, which will instantly make your room seem a lot more high-end. Now guys, lights are great, but you could also be using LEDs very wrong. A pro tip is just hiding the strips behind any type of furniture, and instead of having to look at the lights directly, use the LEDs to create a natural glow, which will make this upgrade look a lot more expensive. I have some under my bed and my desk riser. Some other great places you can place LEDs are behind TVs, couches, under shelves, or even around a mirror. Now, moving on to smart bulbs, very similar to LEDs, they allow you to switch up the colors and brightness very quickly from my phone, and I actually use a few around my room to just set different moods. That is not all for lighting. You can also add some nice warm tone lamps and accent lights. I personally have a ton around my room, along with poster lights, a lava lamp, and even a small desk lamp just to add a bit of warmth. In my opinion, mixing multiple light sources like lamps and LEDs make your space just feel a lot more layered and cozy. Okay guys, now that we've got the lighting on point, let's talk about something that can instantly upgrade your walls without breaking the bank: art. I just put together a whole new art wall in my room, and I swear it made my space feel way cozier and so much more personal. It's honestly crazy how much a few posters or frame prints can change the vibe of your space. Honestly, wall art is the ultimate cheat code. It not only makes your space feel more like you, but beyond that, it's also super cost effective because you don't really need to spend a lot on posters. You just need to know where to look. And by far my favorite thing about this addition to rooms is that it's just super easy to swap out. If you want to switch things up, all you have to do is change the art. There's really no need for a full makeover. Now, if you guys are wondering where to get some wall art on a budget, AliExpress is a great place for super cheap posters if you don't mind waiting for shipping. But beyond that, there are also sales and discounts. So places like Etsy, Redbubble, or even Amazon have some pretty solid deals. I will try my best to leave some in the description below. So if your walls are feeling kind of empty, this is your sign to add some personality to your space. You won't regret making this change. All right guys, so we've tackled two pretty important ones with lighting and art, but let's be real. A nice looking room doesn't mean much if it's cluttered. No matter how good your setup is, if there's stuff everywhere, it's just always gonna feel messy. This personally used to be one of my biggest struggles. I'd add super cool decor, get the lighting right, and then realize there was no actual space for my stuff. If you don't have a proper spot to put things, they just end up being piled up everywhere. That's where storage solutions come in. The thing that I love about my storage is that it's functional and aesthetic at the same time. It keeps everything clean, makes your space feel intentional, and if you do it right, it blends perfectly into your setup. Now guys, there are so many ways that you could do this without ruining the vibes of your space. One of my favorites is a storage ottoman. They triple as seating, decor, and a place to stash stuff that you just don't want laying around. Then of course, there are floating shelves, which are perfect if you need some extra space, but don't want your desk or floor to feel cluttered. And if you're like me and don't have a bunch of extra floor space, under bed storage is a lifesaver for saving extra clothes and gear tucked away. And when it comes to my room, without this closet organizer, I wouldn't be able to fit nearly as much as I have. I mean, it keeps everything looking clean and organized and actually makes your space feel bigger. Speaking of making your space feel cleaner, bigger, and more put together, let's talk about the easiest, most underrated upgrade you can make: your bedding. This is honestly the simplest way to upgrade your space, and the best part, it damn near costs nothing. As simple as it sounds, fresh bedding has a huge impact on the overall look and feel of your room. If your bed looks good, then your whole space somehow just looks better. And this is especially true if you have a smaller room where the bed is usually the main focal point. A new duvet cover, sheet set, and throw blanket can completely switch up your aesthetic without having to buy new furniture or decor. And if you shop smart, you can easily find quality bedding on Amazon for under $100. With just a few layers, you can have your bed looking like it's something out of a Pinterest board. That aside, even if you're not buying anything new, just making your bed every day instantly makes your room look better. And guys, like I said, it takes no time and costs literally $0. So if you guys are able to make it a habit, I would recommend doing that because you'll notice how much cleaner your space looks and feels. Now guys, while we've already kind of talked about lighting, there is one huge lighting upgrade that I kind of missed. If we're being real, most rooms come with some type of bulky ceiling fan or a basic light fixture that just usually has one of those bright ugly balls that end up hurting your eyes after a while. This type of lighting is the worst. It makes your room feel harsh, cold, and way less cozy than it should. Lucky for you guys, one item that I get asked a ton about is my hanging pendant light. Honestly, this was one of the easiest and most effective upgrades that I've made in my space. At first, I thought switching out a light fixture would be so complicated, but after watching a quick YouTube tutorial, it literally took me about 20 minutes to install. And the difference changed so much. It instantly made my room feel way more stylish and way more elevated. This light fixture right here cost me under $50, and I added a Govee bulb, which was around $20. So basically $100, which is insane considering how much of an impact it makes. If you guys are wanting to get one for yourself, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below, along with a tutorial on how to switch out your fixture. I think we've totally covered lighting. So let's talk about something that can instantly make your space feel cozier and way more put together: a rug. Rugs are just one of those things that people just usually don't think about. A good rug can define your space, add texture, and should instantly make your room feel a lot warmer and more inviting. Try using your bed, a few bookshelves, or even your nightstand as an anchor, because it will not only keep your rug held down and stop it from sliding, but it also helps tie that area together and make everything feel so much more connected. Now, if we are being real, budget-wise, a really nice one will likely cost you quite a bit of money, but if you guys are rich, these are definitely one of those things where you can find a deal. Whether it's waiting for a sale, checking out secondhand shops, you might be able to find yourself a solid option without spending a fortune. Next up, for number 7, let's talk about plants. Guys, whether they're real or fake, they'll still make a huge difference in making your room feel fresh and way more vibrant, because there's just something about greenery that just makes your space feel complete. For those that want real plants that are a little low maintenance, options like snake plants, succulents, and cacti are super easy to take care of and can survive even if you forget to water them for a while. Adding some greenery to your space is just an easy way to make your space feel more alive. For number 8, I'm talking personal touches, because at the end of the day, you can have the best lighting, the best furniture, and the cleanest setup, but if there's nothing personal about it, it's just gonna feel like another generic space. For me, one of the most important things in my room is my jersey frame. It's not just decor, it holds sentimental value and represents something a lot more important to me. Maybe for you, it's posters from your favorite artists, collectibles, or even a shelf with things that remind you of good memories. It doesn't have to be big or expensive. Just adding 1 or 2 personal pieces instantly makes your space feel more meaningful. Now guys, moving on to number 9, I feel like this upgrade might be one of the most tedious on the list, but it's not too expensive, and if I'm being honest, it's the reason that my room has even gotten to this place right now, and that was honestly repainting my walls. For the longest time, I had these blue walls that I just genuinely was not happy with. It felt like no matter how much decor or lighting that I added, there was always constantly a blue tint to my room. And I'm gonna just drop a little screenshot of the paint swatch. It's called Silver Mine, but I would really just recommend getting any type of neutral gray, white, brown, creams, off-white, anything like that. I think is a great base to start, because from there you can build out your room with color however you want. And at the end of the day, no matter what you do, it will never clash with your walls, which in my opinion, it helps designing your space become so much easier. Now last but definitely not least, if you want to really upgrade your space, adding a statement furniture piece can take your setup to the next level. It could be a record stand, a bookshelf, a dope accent chair, or in my case, even an accent wall. A statement piece does more than just fill the space. It gives your room more character and helps tie everything together. A thrifted chair, a secondhand bookshelf, or even a simple DIY project can turn into a standout piece, meaning budget should not be an issue here. A few statement pieces I feel like I have around my room is my bookshelf from Wayfair. Beyond that, I also feel like my art wall and my record stand are also some statement pieces that I have in my room, or even this hanging pendant light here. Like I said, it doesn't need to be too crazy. I just personally feel like every room needs at least 1 or 2 standout pieces pieces that really catch your eye. So guys, those were 10 easy ways to instantly elevate your space. Hopefully you guys got some ideas that you can actually use and make your room feel more put together. But anyways guys, I want to hear from you. Which upgrade do you already have? And more importantly, which one are you thinking about adding next? Make sure to drop a comment below and let me know. And of course, if this video helped you in any way, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, because that's what really helps me continue creating this content for you guys. And of course, if you're looking for any of the links for the items that I've mentioned in this video, I'll make sure to have the links in the description below so y'all can check them out for yourself. As always, I hope y'all have a great day, and peace.